Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna make shrimp lo mein. Super easy, super delicious, way better than takeout. Okay, very easy. Let's make shrimp lo mein in 7 minutes. Look at this. And I would like to ask you, if you have not, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, share this recipe with a friend, like this video, and also don't forget to hit the bell notification so you get alerts whenever I upload a new video. So let's go ahead and get right to the recipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and season my shrimp with some white cooking wine. I will list all the ingredients in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. So I season my shrimp and I let it sit for 30 minutes, and after that let it marinate for 30 minutes. Optional, not necessary. We're gonna go ahead and heat our pan. I don't have a wok, so I'm using my all-purpose pan from TJ Maxx. It's the best Teflon pan. So on high heat, add a tablespoon of vegetable oil to your pan or your wok if you have that, and add your shrimp. So we're gonna cook the shrimp for 30 seconds on each side. Okay, after 30 seconds you switch it side and let it cook for another 30 seconds. We don't want the shrimp to be overcooked because we're gonna add it to the noodles later, and that's gonna be another cooking time, so we don't want it to be too rubbery. We don't want it rubbery at all, actually. So after your shrimp is done, you're gonna go ahead and remove it from the heat. So in that same pan, add another tablespoon of vegetable oil, and we're gonna add our vegetables. I am using broccolini, yellow onion, and a little bit of chili and scallion. I kind of used too much chilies. It was really spicy, but we're making spicy shrimp lo mein. So I added my chopped broccolini and my onion and my green onions in the hot pan. We're gonna saute that for about 2 minutes, not more. We don't want it to be overcooked. We still want our vegetables to be very crunchy when we're eating it. That's how I like it, but if you like a vegetable to be cooked, fully cooked, feel free to leave it longer. And these are my noodles. I am using fresh lo mein style noodle that I got from the Asian markets. You could use the dry one, but let me tell you, it's not the best. The taste is so different. I found it to be a lot more starchy. So if you can't find the fresh one, I guess go ahead with the dry one. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the vegetables from the pan. As you can see, sauteed it for a minute. Look at those thighs. Anyways, I added more oil to my pan again. So now I'm gonna add my noodles. I let my noodles cook for 2 minutes because the noodles are pretty soft already, so we don't want it to be too cooked, and we're gonna stir fry it. So after you add your oil in the pan and the noodles, we're gonna fry it for 30 seconds, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our sauces, which is dark soy sauce, regular soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So the dark soy just to really give it give it that color, that dark color. The regular soy sauce don't give it really. So go ahead and stir it and make sure everything is evenly coated, so everything is dark. And at the same time, go ahead and add your shrimp and the vegetables. Oh, you guys, let me tell you, this recipe is super delicious, super easy, perfect for a lazy Sunday night or Saturday night. Better than takeout, okay? And add some fried wings with that. Oh God. Anyway, so just keep frying this and stirring it. Make sure that it's not burning, and at this point, make sure your heat is on medium high, excuse me. And if you have not, please hit the subscribe button for more recipes like this. There's a lot more to come. And also hit the notification bell button so you get alerted whenever I upload a brand new video. And now I'm going to add a tablespoon of hoisin sauce because hoisin sauce makes everything so much better. So go ahead and just keep flipping this, keep turning it, keep stirring it. I don't have a wok, honestly. I don't make a lot of Asian dishes, but I think I'm gonna get one just because it would be better to use a wok instead of that. And if I had a better skillet too, that would probably be better. A skillet with a handle. That's what I had in this pan. Let me tell you, it's an all-purpose pan. It's so amazing. I love this pan. It's from Kaflon. If you check on my Amazon storefront, you'll see it. Be sure to buy it. It's my favorite. Honestly, it's my favorite pan. I love using this pan. Perfect for grilling, perfect for sauteed, perfect for anything, everything. Look at this, you guys. Let me tell you, I really hope you guys try this recipe. It's so delicious. Like I said, it's spicy shrimp lo mein and it was a little bit too spicy for me. I added 4 chili peppers. Next time I'm gonna add just 2 or maybe 4, but without all the seeds, you know, to cut on the heat a little bit. It was a little bit too hot for me, but listen, I enjoyed it still. You know, my eyes was running, was watery, my nose was running, I was sweating, but it was bomb. And I really hope you guys give this recipe a try. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel for more. And please do not judge my chopstick skills, okay? Do not. Do not. I'm trying. I mean, I think I do a good job, considering that I'm not Asian or anything. Like, I barely have Asian friends. I have like one Asian friend. That's it. So, anyways, as always, thank you guys for watching. I will see you soon in the next video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you this easy peasy delicious shrimp lo mein. So let's get to the recipe. So I am going to